Understanding the phrase, left the stage, an English language lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, left the stage. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help in both listening and speaking English fluently. So, let's dive in. In this section, we'll start with the literal meaning of left the stage. The stage refers to the raised platform in a theater, concert hall, or other performance venue. When someone leaves the stage, they physically move away from this platform. This is often seen in theaters, concerts, or any performance-based event. Now, let's look at how left the stage is used figuratively. In everyday English, this phrase can mean that someone has exited a particular role or situation. For instance, when a public figure retires, we might say they have left the stage of public life. It implies an end or a transition away from a prominent position or situation. To better understand, let's go through some examples. 1. In a literal sense, after her final song, the singer left the stage amid roaring applause. 2. Figuratively, after decades in politics, the senator left the stage, leaving room for new faces. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, helping to clarify its meaning. A common misunderstanding might be taking the phrase too literally in everyday conversation. Remember, in many cases, it's used to symbolize the end of someone's active involvement in a particular field or activity, not just physically leaving a stage. And that's a wrap on our exploration of left the stage. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand this phrase better. Whether you hear it in a theater or read it in a news article, now you'll know exactly what it means. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.